Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The present perfect tense is used to talk about actions that happened in the past but has effect or explained in the present. In order to make present perfect tense, we use has and have. So let's make it simple for you with the help of this written description. Use the present perfect tense to talk about happenings in the past that explain or affect the present. The verbs have and has are used as helping or auxiliary verbs to form the present perfect tense. Examples: It's been very wet today. Kim's cut her finger. A question rises in our mind when to use has and when to use have. So let's check my previous video in order to grab the concept of has and have. So let's discuss the formation of this tense. To form the present perfect tense, join have or has to the past participle of the verb. Have plus past participle, has plus past participle. If you don't know what is past participle, in simple, it's the third form of the verb. As we all know, according to the formation of the verb, there are two types of verb, regular verb and irregular verb. So let's have a look at this slide in order to grasp the concept of regular verb and irregular verb. Remember, 97% verbs are regular verbs and just 3% verbs are irregular verbs. The past participle of a regular verb usually ends in ed, just like the simple past tense. But the past participles of irregular verbs don't follow this rule. If you don't know what is past form, second form is the past form of the verb. Past participle is the third form of the verb and present participle is the fourth form, means ing form of the verb. So that's all for today. So nice of you. Thank you. Before going, I must say that second form of verb is the sole proprietorship of the simple past tense. Next video, inshallah ta'ala, I'll make on this topic. Thank you.